how to buy AOS foundation token. So this token came under the symbol of AIOS. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their update about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. So as you can see, this token increased by 900% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 88%. That means your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this one network now. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Log into your accounts. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. Now after that, as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, here enter how much you want to buy, just like that. Now this is how much you will receive. Now what you need to do, just select the provider from here. So after that, make sure to read all of that information and click on swap. Now after that, you will be redirected to that provider page to be able to buy this token, and after that you will be able to buy it without any issue. So this is how to buy the AOS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.